नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय हिंद, जय भारत। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It means that if any group of words does not make any sense, then it is not a sentence. There are four types of sentences. First one is a sentence that makes a statement is called as declarative sentence. It ends up with a full stop. Example, it was a warm sunny day. This sentence tells us that today it was a warm sunny day. So it is declarative sentence. Second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence always asks a question and they end with a question mark. Example, will you come along with me? Are you fine? These kind of sentences are called interrogative sentences. Third kind of sentence are imperative sentence. These sentence expresses a command, a request or some advice, and they also end up with a full stop. Example, go with him now. A sentence that expresses excitement or other strong feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. It ends up with exclamation mark. Example, that was a narrow escape. Now, if I talk about parts of a sentence, then any sentence has two parts. First one is subject and other one is predicate. The subject is the person or thing we are talking about. It may consist of one word or many words. The predicate tells us something about the subject. It may also consist of one word or many words. Example, the little boy has many toys. Here, the little boy. This is subject. What the boy has many toys. So this has many toys is predicate. In some imperative sentences, the subject may not be stated because it is understood. Example, complete your assignment. You in this sentence is hidden. Second example is, please open the door. Here also you is the hidden subject. Next is affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences. They tell us or affirm what the subject of the sentence is, does or has. Negative sentences have the words no or not in them. They are used to deny or contradict something. Example, I don't have your pen is a negative sentence. I have my pencil. It is an affirmative sentence because it is a positive sentence. Always keep in mind that we often use contractions with short negative sentences but not with short affirmative sentences. Example, yes, I have. Here we should not use I apostrophe ve. For negative sentences, I can say that we can write no, I haven't for no, I have not. We have to add a helping verb to many affirmative sentences to change them into negative sentences. Example, Tashi completed her work fast. For making this sentence a negative sentence, we will have to add a helping verb. The sentence would be, Tashi did not or didn't complete her work fast. Here, did has been added to make this sentence as a negative sentence. When the verb is made up of more than one word, we put not after the first verb in a negative sentence. Example, Dorit will go to the market today. For making this affirmative sentence a negative sentence, we would be writing Dorit will not go to the market today. Here we have used not after the first verb in the negative sentence. Next is declarative and interrogative sentences. Declarative sentences, as told earlier, say or state something. They end up with a full stop. Whereas interrogative sentences ask a question. They end up with a question mark. We can call declarative sentences simply statements and interrogative sentences questions. We can change declarative sentences into interrogative sentences by changing the order of the words. Example, Dorji is your pet dog. This is a declarative sentence, and this sentence can be modified into interrogative sentence by changing the order of the words. The interrogative sentence would be, is Dorji your pet dog? Second example is, the food was very tasty. This sentence can be modified as, was the food very tasty? That's it for this video, but here's a question for you. You have to answer a very simple question. The driver is parking the car. Please convert this sentence into interrogative sentence and write the answer in the comment box. I would be waiting for your answers. In the next video, I would be covering prepositions. Up till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.